Electronics and Communication Engineering Department was started in the institute in 1984. We offer programs BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering and 2 MTech programs, one in Communication and Information Technology, another in Microelectronics. The students are admitted through JEE and CCMT respectively. I am Professor Ejaz Hussain Mir. After doing my BTech from REC Srinagar, I have done my MTech and PhD from IIT Delhi. I have been teaching in this institute since 1983. I have guided about 11 PhDs. 4 research scholars have recently submitted their thesis. My area of research is image processing, security, and networks. I have more than 100 publications to my credit. In addition, I have 3 patents, a number of book chapters. I have 4 research projects also which have been done under me, and presently also I am the chief investigator of Ministry of Information Technology sponsored research project Information Security Education and Awareness. In this we have made considerable progress.
I am Najeebuddin. I am professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering here in National Institute of Technology, Srinagar. I have done my master's from the University of Roorkee, and I have done my PhD from Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. My field of specialization is microelectronics, device physics, and VLSI. I teach the courses for BTech program as well as for MTech program. I also guide PhD students in the same field. I teach the subjects like basic electronics, network analysis, VLSI, electronic devices.
My name is Farida Khurshid. I am the faculty from EC department. I have done my PhD in 2017 under the guidance of Professor H. Mir. My area of specialization is image processing, biometrics, and computer security. Right now, I am having 6 PhD scholars under my supervision, and I have guided many MTech students as well as the BTech students here.
I'm Dr. Gausia Kazi. I'm working here in the National Institute of Technology in ECE department as Associate Professor. I've done my basic technical education from the same department when this institute was in REC. After that, I did my master's from the same institute, and I did my PhD from NIT Jalandhar. My area of specialization is optical fiber communication and optoelectronic devices. I have been mainly associated with courses related to optical communication, and then I extended it to optical fiber communication. And I have this time about 7 research scholars. I have already supervised a PhD, and that also in optical fiber communication. On the research side, I've already got a project from DST SERB, that is where we are aiming to design an optical fiber based advanced optoelectronic equipment that will have a very long reach. It's already employing 1 JRF, and the research scholars also are from various different, have their various different research selection. They are both from electronic communication side as well as the optical fiber communication side.
My name is Shahid Mehraj Shah. I am an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, NIT Srinagar. I did my BTech from the same department in 2008, and then I went for PhD in Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. I completed my PhD in 2017, and in 2018 I joined back this department as faculty. Here I lead a lab called Communication Control and Learning Lab, where we pursue the research in the cutting edge areas of wireless communication, machine learning and cyber physical systems. We also have a provision for pursuing BTech projects in our lab. Currently I am guiding a couple of PhD scholars, MEMTech scholars and BTech scholars.
Myself, Ghulam Rasool Beg. I have done BTech and PhD from NIT Srinagar. I have more than 23 years of experience as a lecturer, then assistant professor, and then currently I am associate professor. I have done PhD in the area of wireless communications, and presently I am teaching courses related to most courses related to communications. I have taught courses related to electronics and basic electronics, network analysis, and field theory as well. I am doing, presently my research area is wireless communications, 5G, with focus on next generation communications. I have scholars working on the fields of NOMA, non-Gaussian noise, UAVs, and beyond 5G communications.
My name is Sheikh Amir Ehsan. I am an assistant professor here in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at NIT Srinagar. I received my bachelor's in Electronics and Communication back in 2011 from NIT Jaipur. Thereafter, I was a PhD student at IIT Kanpur, where from I graduated in 2017. Post PhD, I was a postdoctoral fellow at the New York University in the United States, and since 2018 I have been here as a faculty member. Here I'm leading a small research group on nanoelectronic devices. Simulation modeling is our main focus, but we also do some circuit design. Presently students in our lab work on several different topics based on such as providing support to industry standard compact models, working on GaN technologies, 2D material FETs, tunnel FETs, and as well exploring some novel areas of research like machine learning for semiconductor technologies, neuromorphic computing, quantum computing, etc. We have a couple of projects running, one of them being the Startup Research Grant funded by the Department of Science and Technology, SERB.
I am Dr. Omkar Singh. I am working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at NIT Srinagar. I have joined NIT Srinagar in October 2018. I have obtained my BE from GCT Jammu and MTech and PhD from NIT Jalandhar. My area of research is biomedical signal processing, wavelets and filter banks, and digital image processing. I have been teaching courses on signal and systems, digital signal processing, biomedical and image processing, and embedded system at NIT Srinagar.
I am Amandeep Singh. I am working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication, NIT Srinagar. I have done my PhD from NIT Jalandhar in 2017 in the area of microelectronics semiconductor devices. I have joined NIT Srinagar in October 2018. Presently, I am teaching digital electronics at BTech level and VLSI design, analog CMOS and VLSI design lab at MTech level. I am guiding 3 PhD scholars in the area of semiconductor devices and VLSI design. My core area is basically modeling and simulation of semiconductor devices, and my research scholars are working in the same field.
Myself, Dr. Ashok Kumar. I am working in Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering as an assistant professor. I have completed my MTech and PhD from Indian Institute of Technology, Indian School of Mines, Dhanbad in 2012 and 2019. My current research area is the designing of different circuits such as designing of filters, oscillators, memoristors, conductors using the current mode circuits. In this research area, basically we are designing different circuits using only the current modes, where we have current is only involvement in the current in the except the junction voltage.
My name is Burhan Khurshid. I am an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Prior to this, I was an assistant professor in Islamic University. I served there on substantial basis for 3 years. And my research, it's related to VLSI architectures and DSP systems and reconfigurable design. I've done my master's and PhD from NIT Srinagar. Master's I have done from Department of Electronics, and PhD I have done from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering.
I am Dr. Saeed Ahmed. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering in NIT Srinagar. I have done my master's and PhD from Aligarh Muslim University in the area of electronic circuits and system design. I teach subjects like network analysis, digital electronics, analog circuits at UG level as well as at postgraduate level. My area of research is static RAM design and DRAM design.
I am Dr. Brijen Singh Sengar. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering since March 31st, 2021. I did my PhD from IIT Indore in the field of photovoltaic devices from Electrical Engineering Department. Currently, I am working in the field of solar cells, photoreactor, MOSFET and other devices design and fabrication and modeling as well.
Our grad outputs are considerable, and our placement record is one of the highest in the institute.